greensandmachines.com. What's up? We here at the Foundry. I know daylight's fading on me fast, so let's go over what's happening. My green sand got rained on, and it was looking a lot more green than it should have been because there was moss growing in it. So I just kind of laid it out on the cement in hopes that it might dry. I don't know if I'm doing actual sand casting today, but in the case that I do get that far, maybe it'll work. Over here, we're going to try out that Pelican mold again, the tokens that my brother wanted. And this thing, the round stock mold, I sandpapered all the rust off so the thing won't stick that badly this time. And I fixed the problem here that was my original dowels were too short, so there was a gap right there where metal could get stuck in and then sticking out, and I couldn't close the mold all the way. So I machined some plugs that fit the perfect length of the dowel hole, and then they screw in from the back. So there's another one right here. It's just below the surface, so if metal does kind of get stuck, it'll come off real easy. Here's what it looked like. That much metal was stuck in that hole because the dowel was really short, like that. And then that was sticking out, and I couldn't close the mold. So that will not be a problem today. I'm also going to try coating the mold for non-stick. I hope Elon Musk is right, because Tesla say they coat their die casting molds with soybean oil. So we're going to try it out. Alright. Oh yes, I also got a full metal jacket. Check it out. Yeah. It's not the most comfortable thing in the world, but when it comes to not catching on fire, you want to have something that doesn't catch on fire. It's like 50% fiberglass and Kevlar, and I love it. Oh, we cast some big ingots with my new ingot tray last time. These are easily to fit right in the crucible. And the new ladle works because the old one was not big enough. And the new crucible works. Here's the old crucible over here. I chopped it in half to see, like, you know, those plumbing commercials where they talk about how your drains are clogged and like, we can fix it. Well, here's the crucible clogged with slag aluminum and probably magnesium, but it was replaced because it started busting a hole in the side and metal was leaking out. So I wanted to see where the cross section was the thinnest, and I got my evidence right there. So the crucible lasted quite a while. I mean, steel crucibles, what do you expect? 7 years? Pretty good. isn't on fire. Ballin'. Yeah. Look at that. So many bars. So much success. So much domination. So much ingots. I spread them evenly about the ingot tray so I don't have big slabs. I can just stick them one at a time if I want. New record aluminum casting of bars that aren't full of magnesium slag. And we got the process down for those tokens. Holy smokes. We got the process down. Oh, that's right. Greens and Machines 2023 Full Metal Jacket Edition.